Ready to turn Redfin into your personal wholesaling goldmine? First, head over to Redfin and dial in your target area now. The magic is in the filters. Focus on properties with significant price reductions. This often signals a seller eager to make a deal. Dig into the listing history. Multiple price drops, listings that have been on the market for longer than average, and previous listings that expired without selling are all huge red flags in a good way for us. Don't forget to analyze market trends. Is the average days on market increasing in your area? Are homes selling for less than the asking price? This gives you leverage when negotiating. Once you've identified some promising properties, do some more research on the property, then pick up the phone and reach out to the seller or the agent when speaking. Be sure to ask about the property and why they are selling. Remember, finding motivated sellers on Redfin is about combining data analysis with smart communication. Use this information to find a motivated seller and seal the deal. #wholesaling released #motivated sellers.